The BMW S 1000RR has long been one of the most respected superbikes in the world. So when BMW unveiled its 2027 lineup, many riders expected a major redesign. But that's not what happened. Instead of reinventing the bike, BMW focused on refining a formula that already works incredibly well. The biggest visual update is the new edition M Sport. It features a striking Blackstorm metallic finish combined with classic M Motorsport graphics, giving the S 1000RR an even more aggressive and premium appearance. BMW has also updated the M package. For 2027, lightweight M forged wheels now come as standard, improving handling and reducing unsprung weight. Riders who want an even lighter setup can still choose the optional M carbon wheels. Another welcome addition is a factory-installed USB charging port, now included on models equipped with the dynamic package and the new edition M Sport. It's a simple upgrade, but one that makes everyday riding much more convenient. Despite these updates, the core performance remains every bit as impressive. The 2027 S1000RR continues to deliver razor-sharp handling, outstanding stability at high speed, and the confidence-inspiring electronics package that has made it a favorite among both track day enthusiasts and everyday riders. It's a motorcycle designed to perform at the highest level, whether you're chasing lap times or enjoying a spirited weekend ride. Mechanically, the motorcycle remains unchanged. It continues to use the proven 999 cubic centimeters ShiftCam inline-4 engine, producing around 210 horsepower, paired with a 6-speed gearbox and quick shifter. The S1000RR also keeps its aerodynamic winglets, advanced electronics package, multiple riding modes, traction control, cornering ABS, launch control, and the TFT display that riders have come to appreciate. BMW's decision is easy to understand. The current S1000RR is already one of the fastest and most capable superbikes on the market. Rather than making unnecessary changes, the company has improved the equipment while keeping the performance that riders already love. So while the 2027 BMW S1000RR isn't an all-new generation, it remains a serious contender in the leader bike class. Would you choose the updated S1000RR, or would you rather wait for a completely new model? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.